This is not the first time I am unemployed. In 5 years of my corporate career, I've been unemployed thrice. And you would think every time hits the same. Wrong. This time, my unemployment comes with a weird sense of calm. A calm that lets me believe that the right job is waiting for me and will arrive at my doorstep when the time is right. Hence, until that job finds me, I'm trying to fill the extra time with building a life. Hi, and welcome back to the day in the life of somebody who recently got unemployed. I'm still applying, I'm hoping I get callbacks, interviews. I am getting some the moment I detached from the expectation of having something in my life. This is how I'm building this channel. Just being unemployed and just figuring out.
So I'll see you on this channel a bit more. My knees are giving up. Bye bye.
Told myself कि मैं उठ जाऊंगी बहुत जल्दी सुबह भागने के लिए या वॉक करने के लिए. It's 3rd July. घड़ी में बज रहे हैं 8:20. I decided कि रोज सुबह जल्दी उठ के जिम जाने से पहले I'll take a walk, I'll do cardio in the fresh air outside. It is so difficult. मुझसे अभी बिल्कुल नहीं उठा गया. But here I am. My dad and I decided कि हम लोग साथ में वॉक करेंगे. So let's see. मैं भी देख के आती हूँ कि मेरी डैड उठेगी नहीं. And then I'll wake him up and then टुगेदर हम वॉक करने जाएंगे. चाहे एक ही राउंड काटे, but at least जो मैंने अपने आप प्रॉमिस किया था वो मैं करूँ. तो I'm gonna take at least a round and then come back. And I will not sleep again, but at least कुछ तो करूँ. अभी ब्रश करके आती हूँ. Just to prove I'm not lying. I have to hold myself accountable also, bhai. मैं 3 दिन से जल्दी उठ रही हूँ, so it's not a big deal, but I have to really push myself to get out of the house to go for a walk. That's the task. Okay, I feel like pretty fresh. मतलब not really, इतना नहीं कि मैं बाहर चली जाऊँ, लेकिन करूँगी. आज मैं ट्राई करूँगी. Okay. It's 8:30 in the clock. Ab it's time to see if my dad is awake. If he's not, then I'm gonna wake him up. We're gonna go for at least one round. मतलब I don't care अगर हम लंबा ना कर पाएँ, but we have to do it today. I promise myself कि मैं सुबह उठूँगी. I'm gonna record all of this. I'm gonna lock in. तो अब I really need to lock in. And I also need to cut my nails क्योंकि बहुत आगे बढ़ गए हैं. Anyway, तो let's go. Wake my dad up. Daddy? Wakey. We gonna go for a walkie? 5 मिनट में 9 बज जाएंगे. नहीं फिर आपको टाइम भी लगेगा ब्रश करने में. ठीक है, ओनली 5 मिनट्स. मैं तब तक रेडी हो रही हूँ. ठीक है. Some coffee. So the thing is, मेरा routine बहुत sorted रहता है. I recently lost my job. So I'm pretty jobless right now. 1st July onwards, I've I am unemployed. So I have decided to figure out ways to keep myself busy, which also means I'm going to be posting a lot on YouTube. Hopefully, I'm doing this declaration online just saying I'm held accountable for doing it. So I'm going to be posting a lot of YouTube. I don't know what, I'm experimenting, but this is one of those experimentations. और मेरा प्लान ये है कि I'm going to keep myself busy. I'm going to focus more on health. Gym तो मैं जाती हूँ. अब I'm going to focus more on, I don't know, more on it. And I'm gonna constantly post what I'm doing. So I think that's gonna help me. And I also am at a stage of my life where I don't have a lot of friends. So this is one of the reasons that I'm थोड़ा सा coming towards YouTube, जिससे कि YouTube मेरा थोड़ा दोस्त type बन जाए. Let's see how everything else goes. 5 मिनट में उठाना है डैड को. उसके बाद I have gym at 10 a.m. So तब तक I'm having my cold coffee थोड़ी सी. ये इतने झागी हैं, कॉफ़ी इतनी सी है. एंड इसके बाद I'm gonna have the rest of the cold coffee. या तो वापस आने के बाद या फिर शाम को. We are back again.
डैडी हो गए 5 मिनट, चलो. ऐसे नहीं होता है, चलो चलो. डैडी नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता है. ऐसे कैसे वॉक होगा? चलो.
So we did not go for a walk. My dad was too sleepy to wake up. I made my very famous peanut butter bread and kela, which I eat every day before gym. So I'm gonna eat this. It's 9:15. I'm gonna head to the gym. वैसे 10 o'clock है, but I'm gonna head early जिससे कि मैं थोड़ा सा cardio कर पाऊँ. So good. I just got ready for the gym. I'm not sure if I'm feeling this t-shirt today because I'm kind of bloated. I have my dates about to come किसी भी दिन. And I don't feel lean enough in this. But ठीक है, I'm still gonna go. I'm actually matching my socks with my t-shirt because they just match. This is one of the things I like doing at the gym. Wearing nice fits. Changed my t-shirt. Sometimes you just have to thank your body for how it works instead of how it looks. And the best way is to just keep showing up even on bad days. Having a very productive day up until now. I'm gonna have 2 eggs. सोच रही हूँ सनी साइड अप बनाऊँ. तो सनी साइड अप बनाया जाए. Little bit of घी, क्योंकि घी भी सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. ये सिर्फ बकवास है कि आपको घी वगैरह कुछ नहीं खाना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सनी साइड अप एस्थेटिक क्यों नहीं होता है कभी भी? लाइक नेवर. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. इट इज लिटरली द ugliest sunny side up I've ever seen. I'm trying to cook it like that Japanese omelette. Japanese की Korean और Chinese. वो जो धीरे धीरे करके एक एक पोर्शन को वो करते हैं ना. Yum. This looks so good. I'm getting it a bit more brown. So good. I'm gonna have some badam with these, and that's my breakfast at 12. ये जो मेरी प्यारी सी डुगी है ना, डुगी, इसको पपीता बहुत पसंद है. So I'm gonna give her this पपीता. Yes, good girl. तुम कितनी बड़ी पपीता लवर हो म्यू. पपीता कितना लवर हो तुम? बहुत थक गई. हो गई. क्या हुआ? क्या चाहिए? She's here. She's here.
Well, this is all a ridiculous merry mess. Ridiculous as you being here, Mother.
It is 7 o'clock. I did sleep for 1.5 घंटा in the afternoon. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही थी, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था. अब I'm heading for a walk and let's see, probably 3 के 4 के steps तो करूँगी. 10 तो नहीं हो पाता है. And उसके बाद I think we're gonna have a very productive. We already had a productive day. रात को planning to eat something really tasty too. So जब दादा दादी बोलते थे कि पार्क में चलो, ग्रीनरी में सब ठीक हो जाता है, they weren't kidding. Walking in the park around trees is literally a mental health walk. And the best part is, it's for free. You literally just have to get out of your house and start walking. It's that simple. Oh, flash on हो गया. सही है. ठीक है. It is so hot. This is our score and it's not bad honestly. मतलब 3 किलोमीटर सही है इतनी गर्मी में. थक गई. I have my नींबू पानी and my cold coffee both with me. I'm deciding अभी क्या पीऊँ. I'm thinking ये पी लेती हूँ. इसको मैं डिनर के साथ पीऊँगी. Cheers. मेरा फूड जो होता है it's a combination of everything. I try to have protein as much as I can in the form of eggs, chicken, fish. लेकिन recently it's been a lot to consume so much protein, so I gave it a break. I was eating vegetarian and all घर का खाना, but now I'm back to eating my protein-rich food. So I'm thinking कि अभी I'm gonna pair it up with pasta maybe, chicken and pasta. Usually my carb is roti or chawal, but today I'm not in the mood for that क्योंकि मैं already lunch में खा चुकी हूँ रोटी. So I'm gonna probably have pasta today. And थोड़े से greens भी डाल देंगे, खीरा वगैरह. The goal is not losing weight. The goal is try to get a lean body. So I'm just working towards that. So good. Wow. Okay, cheers. I got another design call today. Assignment अभी नहीं आया है, but it looks like a good company. So let's see. That's how my unemployment is going right now. I haven't started any series as of now. Walk पे जा रही हूँ, सुबह उठ रही हूँ. सुबह कुछ करना शुरू नहीं किया है, but I'm planning to maybe stretch tomorrow morning. या फिर I'm thinking थोड़ा सा भाग के आऊँ. अभी washed my hair, Dysoned them, तो थोड़े अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Brown looks good. I'm trying to build a routine. I'm trying to build some sort of routine for my unemployed self, and I just hope कि unemployment ज़्यादा लंबी ना चले. 1-2 महीना चलता है. That break is going to be good for me. लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा फिर नहीं हो पाया. And AC की हवा बहुत अच्छी पड़ रही मेरे सर पे बिल्कुल. I like it. And I'm gonna see you next time with something different. All right. I'll stop doing this. All right. See ya. See you next time. Welcome back to I can't do this. So I'm just gonna let me do something. I'll do something cooler. और वो बंद हो जाना चाहिए.